welcome to my channel Turn to Technology. My name is Asif Khan, and as we know we are doing PLC training. So today we are going to discuss about industrial project. So I got one project from one of my friend on Facebook. So actually he sent to me a project. So now I am going to make a program for him. So this is one of the finest project I am having. So let's make today's project. So this is our project. One push button press, motor one on. One motor, there is only one motor. So this is on for 3 minutes, then off for 2 minutes, then run for 2 minutes, then again off for 1 minute, now again run for 4 minutes. So this project we are going to make here. Let's operate output first, that is Y1. Y1 will be hold. Now let's take a timer Y1. Then after timer OUT out T1. You can use the timer value according to yourself, because I have to show you. So I will take less value, K80 I can take. Next, this output will off this timer T1. So I have to use another timer, so I have to hold this one. Now T1 will operate timer 2, timer 2. Timer 2 will on this output, that is T2. I can use little small here, T2, and T2 will also off this timer and hold the value T2. So T2 will on this timer. Again we have to use next timer, that will be our T3, T2. T3 will off this timer, this output T3, and we will have to off this also. Now we have to hold this one, T3. Then after T3 we will use T4. Out T4. So this is our T4. T3 will operate T4, and T4 will operate this timer, that is T4. So T4 will operate Y1, and we have to hold T4, and we have to cut this one, T4. Now we have to use timer 5. So I think this is not visible, so I have to use here. So next start from here, T4. T4 will operate T5, and we have to hold T5 here, and NC of T5 we will be used here also for closing this T4, and we have to stop this output, so we will use T5 here also. Now we have to reset T5 also. We can't hold this, so we will use a memory bit T5. I can use a memory bit, that is M1 you can say. So M1 will stop this one. But there is some clash will be the timer, so I will use NC switch of timer 5 here also. So this is our program. So let's check this program on PLC. So this is our project, that is industrial project, you can say. Machine on, after some time it will be off for some time, and after some time it will be on. So this is our project. Let's check this project on PLC. Now I am going to transfer this project to the PLC. This one, the transfer is continue. So after this execution, we can see if motor is on for 2 minutes and it will be off for 3 minutes, it will be on for 2 minutes, it will be off for 3 minutes again. So I have using very less time in this. You can see it's 8 seconds, it's 7 seconds, but you can change time according to yourself. So let's check on PLC. So let's check the program. I'm going to press X1. Now motor is on. After some time it will be off after 8 seconds. Off. Again after some time it will be on. It's on. Now after some time it will be off. Now off for some time, and again it will be on for some time. So you can easily check the concept of, and you can change timer values according to yourself. I hope it's clear. If you understand the video concept, please like my video, comment on my video, subscribe my channel as much as possible, share with your friends, and be connect with me for the current happening and the latest videos and concepts. Thank you so much for watching this. Thank you everyone.